Hi, this is Carlos Pizzuoco, and I'm here with Dr. Karsy. Dr. Karsy, you want to introduce yourself?
Carl, first, thanks for the opportunity to visit. My name is Mike Karsy. I'm a clinical assistant professor of neurosurgery at the University of Michigan. I've been in practice for about 5 years, and I specialize in skull base and spine, and do both cases.
Dr. Karsy, you have been one of the first to see our latest innovation, the new ARveo Retex. What are the first impressions?
I like the device. Already the optics from the Leica microscopes have been top-notch. In the depth of field, we can actually notice it quite a bit when we use it in surgical procedures. What I can see on the new scope is quite a bit of improvements on the handling, maneuverability of the scope, and sort of the ability to balance it. It is a little bit easier compared to the last generation of the scope. Also, some of the features with adjusting the light and the brightness are going to be really helpful for us as well.
In your opinion, how ARveo Retex would improve your workflow?
I think by taking a lot of the features that are dependent on the nurses and scrub techs to adjust and giving the control to the surgeons, such as the digital display that can control balance as well as the brightness, it makes it a lot easier for the surgeon to adjust the microscope, customize it, and get going with the case, and just reduce the time needed to get started on the case.
Using MyVeo, a combination with the ARveo Retex, do you want to share any impression, thoughts?
So we've used the MyVeo frequently at our practice, and I can say with the newest iteration of the video processing is a lot smoother. I think it integrates very well into the system. I think it's moving in the right direction.
Thank you very much, Dr. Karsy. If you want to know more, visit the Leica website.